Hey, I'm not messing up this video. If you know, you know. But anyway, don't even look up and see what day it is. All right, don't even look up and see what day it is. I already know what day it is, right? Earnings for this week, right? MDB on Monday. Archer on Monday. CrowdStrike on Tuesday. Target, Best Buy, AutoZone. Who else? Who else? Don't see nobody Tuesday. Wednesday, AVGO reports. I ain't even know AVGO reports after in the video. That's wild. Anyway, Wick, Weeble, who else? Holly. That's Holly is a car. They manufacture parts for a car. American Eagle, right? Boom. Thursday. Marvel, right? Costco. Kroger. GoPro. It's some decent names reporting. Victoria's Secret, Burlington, right? It's some decent names reporting. The biggest names I see is CrowdStrike and AVGO. And then the list goes on. What is CR? Oh, this one. I'm not too big on it. CRDO. Ain't too big on that. But anyway, also, I know y'all seen this. I know. Yes. Israel struck Iran, and Iran struck back. You know, they saying like a beginning of a war. I don't know. Like how the charts looking. It's funny, but how the charts looking. I don't see no war because I had made that video Friday. What it was, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, one of those days, right? I made a video. I think we can go higher, especially how ES just opened. But anyway, no news. No, I ain't gonna say no crazy news, but like only news I see for real is NFP on Friday. NFP on Friday. I just skipped down to Friday. I'm gonna work my way back up. NFP, core retail sales, unemployment rate. Friday. Who else? What else? Wednesday, ADP non-farm payroll. It's no crazy news for him. Not gonna lie. But anyway, let's get to the chart. Get to the chart. Boom, SPY, right? What did SPY do this week? SPY ain't do nothing this week. SPY ain't do nothing crazy. Market has been in the range for at least what, like 4 months almost, right? Almost like 4 months. Definitely like 4 months with this. How this looking, which is wild. And we at the top, like we at the top. Let me see. I ain't mean to reset the chart like that, but off the monthly, we're overextended. We could possibly get like a little correction, but I still think we can go like a 20. Like we do a 20% drop. Once we go to like 740. But in due time. But let me scroll down. I'm just go out the daily. Boom, we in range. Y'all see the range. What I see, 679 break. If 679 break, we can go 673 possibly. Yeah, we just gotta see. Our 679 really can hold up, but we just gonna have to see how SPY open. But let me just go to ES right fast. All right, ES didn't open nothing crazy. Like it went down, but it wasn't like no massive. It wasn't a massive drawdown. It's down maybe what? How many dollars? Only 67. That ain't even a whole percent. Close to it, but it ain't even a whole percent. But boom, back to SPY again. 679 break or hold. And yeah, that's what I'm looking at on SPY. Qs, right? Tech has been like on a weaker side due to like people rotating their money into consumer defense, energy, all the other good stuff, right? Nothing crazy on Qs for this week as well. A doji candle off the weekly. Let me see the monthly. Monthly ain't too crazy neither. Definitely believe we can. I don't know. Like I said, SPY go to 740. Definitely like a 20% drop. Something crazy gonna happen when SPY go to 740. I just go watch my video. Boom. But On Q's, 600 hold or break. 600 hold or break. I mean, a 600 hold, we could see 605, something like that. At 605, I mean, at 600 break, we're going to 689. We're going to 689. And yeah. RSI, nothing crazy. EMAs off the daily. Off the daily, under the 21, under the 8, under VWAP. All right. Nah, we're above VWAP. Okay, cool. We're above VWAP. But you know, EMAs, we're under all the EMAs off the daily. Well, except the 200, of course. But yeah. Let's see. What I got? Uber, double bottom. Double bottom. Above the 8, above the 21. I'm thinking Uber could push past 77. We can go 78, 82. Really like 77 or 70. I really want to see it like a break and hold above 78. Let me see. Something like this. Right? And go higher. But if not, reject. You know, we can always short it. You know, it's a buy and sell button for a reason. But what I see, I'll pull up the RSI as well. It's like a slight head. It's like a head and shoulders. I see this on the RSI. Definitely a double bottom on the chart. And yeah, Uber don't look bad at all. Definitely like an upside play, like a trend flip forming. You gotta close above 77 for sure. But yeah, that's what I see on Uber. Spot. All right, Spotify. A lot of y'all use Spotify. I don't use Spotify. Right? Trend. I put this on here a minute ago, but what is it called? A channel break. 2 taps of support off this trend line. Channel break. Boom. And we're above the 21. We're above the 8. And we can wick off the 200. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking a close above the next level. It's very obvious. 519, 520. No, 519. Because that's a low 519. So boom, 519. We can go, we definitely can. We can definitely go higher. This is like a double bottom right here. Price was in consolidation for a minute. And shoot, we're going higher. We're going higher. 2 good candles. Doji, boom, green candle. And this one had, you know, some decent volume on Friday. So Spotify, that's what I see on Spotify. And lastly, BJ, right? BJ, honestly speaking, I seen this candlestick pattern off the daily, and I had to give this a shot. Right? I mean, people can call this a morning star. It's definitely towards the bottom of a trend, and it's a 3 candlestick pattern, and the middle candlestick is a doji. So I believe we can go above 100. We close above 100. We definitely go to 106. I mean, look at the trend line. Also, look at the chart. Trend flip. Yeah, trend flip. Trend line hold. This chart is bullish. If you're looking at it, because I was looking at it, I wasn't thinking it was bearish, but I did confirm that it was, you know, bullish. And I think if we get above 100, close above 100 off the daily, we can go higher. But that's what I'm looking at for this week. I will also be day trading for sure. But, you know, y'all know what's up. You know, I'm just kind of like that.